guys, today I have an update for my rolling 5-pan project. So this one I started doing about a month and a half ago. I just wanted to work on 5 products, but I would continue to roll products out as soon as I finish them, and that way I would just continue to work on new or more products until I finish 5 of them. I was still working on the same 5 products that I started the project with until this update, until today. So I was actually able to finish 2 products. The first one I was able to finish is from Julep. I believe it's called Wind Pencil Matte Gel. It's just a black eyeliner. It's a really creamy pencil and it sets, it doesn't move around. Overall, I'm really happy with this product. You can see there's still a little bit product left here, but it's just this bottom black part, like it twists from the pencil, so I cannot sharpen it anymore. Once I put it in the pencil sharpener, this bottom, because it twists, it just wouldn't sharpen. So I'm all done with it. You can see some of the progress marks. So that's the beginning, last update. So I'm really not too far from where I was last update. That's why I was able to finish it pretty fast. But this one is done. I'm really happy about that. The other pencil eyeliner, this one is from Sonia Kashuk. The color is Plummy Bronze. It's a shimmery brown color, and for me it's definitely too light to be used as a eyeliner because my complexion is a little bit darker. This one just does not define my eyes or do anything for me. So the way I use it is to use it as an eyeshadow base, like a cream eyeshadow base, so that way it provides a little bit more color, and I typically only use it on my outer V area. And I actually used this on my eyes today, and that was the last use because after I used it, I tried to sharpen it so I can mark you a good new mark on my paper, but the little nub that's left in there, it just completely fell out and there's nothing left in there anymore. Can you see it's just a hole now? So this one is all gone, and it really, you can tell I didn't expect to get much out of it anyways. This is my progress marks. I did use it quite a bit this update because you can tell that's the intro last update, and I really didn't use much last time around, so I really made an effort to use more, and I finished it all up now. So I'm happy about that. I think those 2 little products, even though they are both so small, but they were really just hanging around in my projects or in my collection for the longest time, and I just could not push myself to finish them for some reason. So I'm really happy I used this project to finish those 2 products. And then I have a sample size face primer. This one is from YSL Beauty. It's the Blur Primer. It has a lot of like gold little flecks or shimmer particles in there. And for the longest time I did not see them on my face, but just recently, maybe the sunlight is a little bit brighter, I do see them a little bit on my face, just shining. But once I put foundation on top, it just doesn't, it disappears, you know, foundation covers it completely. And this one is only sample size, so I didn't expect it to, you know, last me too long. At the beginning it was pretty much brand new, last update, and this is where I am now. So I don't have much left now. Hopefully next update I can just finish it. I try to update every 2 weeks, so yeah, I think I probably could finish that next time. And then at the end I have 2 products that I couldn't mark because they are both in tubes and I just cannot see through the packaging. This one I know it's gonna be done hopefully soon. I want to say maybe another month. This is the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. It didn't have much product in it to begin with. It kind of ran out much faster than I expected, but it's a really cheap product, so maybe that's why. Anyways, I took out the stopper, and then that way it gave me access to a lot more products. And right now I can't really see inside the tube, but it seems like there's still quite a bit product in there. So hopefully, I don't know, another month. And the last product is my mascara. This one is from Grande. It's just the GrandeMASCARA Lash Boosting Formula. This one I got from Octoly a long time ago, and I didn't use it much at the beginning because I didn't care much for the formula, but as time goes on I think it dried out quite a bit, so I actually really enjoy this mascara now. This is what I have on my eyes today. It doesn't smudge or anything, so I like it much more now as it's drying. But I just don't think I'm gonna be able to completely finish it. I'm just gonna call it quits when the time, you know, like the 3-month-ish time mark hits. So that way, you know, I'm being sanitary and I'm not infecting anything. Yeah, a good mascara, but it will hang around for maybe a couple more updates, I think. So since I finished 2 products, I'm gonna have to roll 2 more products in. This first one, I was panning it for a little bit in my peeping pan project early on this year. I tried to hit pan on it already, and I did hit pan, so I figured since it's only sample face powder, I could probably finish it soon. And this is from L'Oreal. It's the Baked, Balance, and Brighten foundation in the color Fair. I think it is a really nice foundation powder. It does provide a little bit extra coverage compared to your other powders. And this is where I am now. You can see all that in the middle. That's the tile pan. So the product is pretty flat now. I don't think it should last me too much longer. The only problem I might have is that the pan is really small and all the product, it's just gathered on the edges. So maybe my brush will have a hard time picking things up. I would try to use it a little bit more. If I start to have problem picking product out, I might have to just scrape everything out and repress it. We'll see about it. I will just try to use it as is for now, and we'll see how that goes later on down the road. And because I finished the other eyeliner pencil this morning, so I was really having a hard time picking another product. This is kind of a last minute decision, and it's a eyeshadow. This guy, I actually panned it last year in my Pan palette, and this is the only one shade that I didn't get to finish in the entire palette. So I really wanted to just finish it because you can see how much pan there is inside. It doesn't have much product left in there. This is a Wet n Wild eyeshadow, and I might have to repress it because, you know, all this is pretty difficult to use. I can probably use this corner a little bit more before I actually repress it, but we'll see about it. And I put a little, if you are wondering, this is a little magnet that I taped to the back of it because the Wet n Wild pans don't have, they're not magnet. I think they're aluminum pans, so they don't really stick into my Z palettes. So I put a little sticker. It looks ugly, but it works. So my goal is to finish it soon so I don't have to stare at this ugly little thing that I made. Yeah, I'll take a picture of it and keep track of it that way. So that's it, all my 5 products. I'm happy I finished 2, and it seems like I can finish this one relatively soon too. So hopefully I can just continue to roll products and I'll finish 5 products soon. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my future updates as well. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.